The urgency to tackle climate change within Southeast Asia countries, especially at the community level, has never been more critical. As the effects of climate change escalate, our communities are becoming increasingly vulnerable, grappling with issues like environmental degradation, economic uncertainty, and social upheaval. This reality calls for ASEAN to develop and implement strong community-based climate action strategies that empower local communities to adapt and mitigate these pressing challenges. Under Indonesia's leadership of the 2023 ASEAN Chairmanship, the ASEAN Working Group on Climate Change are proud to have coordinated a study on Community-Based Climate Action, or CBCA. Community-based climate action are defined as programs that actively involve local communities in planning and implementing strategies aimed at either mitigating greenhouse gas emissions or enhancing their capacity to adapt to the impacts of climate change. Importantly, while the government can establish and support these programs, the local community must take the lead in the implementation. The CBCA report encompasses several key components. Definition and key elements of community-based climate action. The report features best practices in community-based climate action around the region. Regional connections, where we highlighted shared approaches and similar characteristics of community-based climate action across ASEAN. Challenges and barriers in implementing CBCA. Strategic recommendations. The report concludes with strategic recommendations designed to bolster CBCA initiatives throughout the region. The Community-Based Climate Action Report serves as a crucial resource for replicating successful climate initiatives across Southeast Asia and beyond. By clearly defining community-based climate action and outlining its essential elements, the report helps identify relevant programs currently in place. It showcases best practices from each ASEAN member state, providing a blueprint for exemplary initiatives that can inspire similar actions elsewhere. Additionally, the report highlights regional connections among CBCA efforts, emphasising shared strategies and challenges faced in implementation, such as funding limitations and the need for better policy support. With strategic recommendations aimed at enhancing governance frameworks, stakeholder engagement, and sustainable financing, the report offers actionable insights for communities and policymakers looking to strengthen their climate action efforts and foster collaboration across the region. Empowering local communities to tackle climate change through both mitigation and adaptation measures is at the heart of community-based climate action. This participatory approach enables communities to recognise their vulnerabilities and develop solutions that are not only culturally relevant, but also ecologically sustainable over the long term. By fostering partnerships and supporting local initiatives, we can create a more resilient framework for climate action in ASEAN. Together, we can ensure that our responses to climate change are inclusive and effective, paving the way for sustainable futures in our communities.